Hi guys, today we're going to play Luigi's Mansion 2 Part 7. If you haven't liked and subscribed my channel, like and subscribe right now or at the end of this video. Now let's get started. It looks like we're going to go to the new mansion. I'm kind of excited to see what's in there. Oh, wait, is that inside? I think that's going to be inside the new mansion. It looks new and big. We're going to go in the new mansion. Whoa, it has a very big tree in the middle. And flowers. And it's large. It's like 2 times bigger than our old mansion. Oh, the flowers. Let's flash the flowers. Oh, money. Is anything in this house? Oh, a key. Let's use the key to go to the gate. Let's check the outer sides. Is there anything here? Oh, there's some money. Is there anything here? This is the gate where we leave. And now let's go in the mansion. Let's get the flowers. Let's keep looking for anything more. Oh. Wait, let's go to the room that had the explanation mark. Let's go back out for a second. Oh. What is that? Let's go back in the room and... Oh, there's a red monster. Oh. Ew. Do we need anything else? Wait, is there anything here? Oh, there's something here. What is in here? First, let's get these coins and the chest. Oh, it has a key. I wonder for what. Let's check what's inside here and... Oh, it's a boo. found it. Oh, this time the boos have 25 health. That's a lot more. Where did he go? Oh, over here. Where's the boo going? Yes, I got it. Yes, I got the boo. We got another boo.
Oh, hello.
You dad is calling us. I think there's going to be a whole bunch of boos. Wait, the door disappeared. We have to go to this again. We can't flash this yet. The key should be for this door I saw earlier. Oh. Shoot this. Oh, we got more coins. We still need this thing, and let's do it for the other one. Oh, that's hard to aim. Let's guess one more, and yes, we did it. Let's go to that next door. I see some frogs. How about we can't go up there, so we can get these coins. Wait. Oh, we got a golden bone. Wait, it looks like on the map you can see a little empty space. So it's this door right here. We found the entrance. Greenhouse. Oh. It sounds like the green ghost. Oh, it is. Where did he go? Oh. Huh? Oh, that's where the green ghosts are. The green ghost is. Let's get it. Oh, it's kind of hard. it's hard because you have to time yourself by hitting it. Like, you can't hit it like that. While he's going to do that, you have to quickly. I think green ghosts are pretty hard. I only have 20 health left. You got it. Wait. Nope, nothing in there. Now we get to go to the other side. Wait. Oh! Oh, it looks weird. Last mansion, it was, the gems was purple. This mansion, it's green. And it's a chance that maybe next mansion, could it be blue? Oh, a golden bat. One corn. Let's turn this. Oh, it has a bunch of hearts for my health. Now I got 100. So now we can keep going on. Let's go over here. Oh, what is this? Oh, it has very sharp teeth. You notice Luigi. Oh, wait, how about we throw this at them? Oh, you're supposed to blow it? Let's do it with this next one. Now we can blow it. Yes! We killed it. Oh, a key is in here. And I saw this. What's going on? I don't think it will. Maybe we don't use the bucket. Oh. Oh. Okay, I fell. I have to go all over. I'm back. It's like a maze. Because some parts are blocked off. Back over here. Oh, I almost fell there again. What are these birds doing here? Oh, there's a whole bunch. Just quickly run. So so they don't hit us. We got past them. What's in here? Wait, there's a gem over there. Oh, I think I know how to get that. Oh, there's a red monster. We got the red monster. And let's get it. Oh! Yes, I got them on time. I think all the monsters. Oh, another red monster. Wait, two? I got them both. Where else are we supposed to go? Let's check what's in here. It looks like a type of lab. I think we have to go up, and then we can drop down and then get it, and then there's this balloon, and then I think the balloon will make you up. I think it's that way. Oh, this balloon. Wait, how do you use it? Oh, to make it like a balloon. Oh! I almost fell there. What's in here? I think we're going to go in this room. Maybe. I'm just going to keep it. I think we have to go down in there. Oh, we got the gem. Yes, the second green gem. We have to get this and I don't know how to use this again. Oh, the room is not just big enough. Oh, I found out. Wait, are we going to go in this room? I think so. What's over here? Wait, who is the bucket? Oh. Wait, how do we... I got it. So now you need the bucket for this, I think? Wait, how do you put it still? Oh. So we got it in. I think we have to put it over here. I think we have to flash this whole thing. We flashed the whole thing. Oh, the ghosts are going for a water slide. The water slide looks fun. Yes, we did it. Oh, what was that? Wait, why is it yellow? Wait, why is it yellow? Is there something going? Huh. Is this the boss? Ugh. I guess it's the boss because it has 100 health. Oh. I almost did. Wait, I think I have to just... Oh! I remember I had the dog bone, so I'm actually alive still. Now you have to kill the ghost. Only has 10 hearts left. You got the ghost. Egad is calling us, so let's answer. Mission completed. I got a bronze. I wish I got silver or gold. But maybe because I lost like 235 hearts. That's a lot. Maybe one day I'll get a gold medal. Actually, I probably think the new mansion is pretty fun. We're back in the lab, and let's add the ghost that we got in there. We got a new gem, another gem, and this, and a bill, and 498 coins. Bye guys, that's it for today. If you haven't liked and subscribed, like and subscribe right now. Bye, see you in the next video.